this assessment asks us to name the compound shown using the common name for the branched substituent. I've gone ahead and numbered the carbons from left to right, 1 through 9, indicating that this molecule's parent chain is a nonane. So we can go ahead and write that up. You'll note that the substituent comes off of the 5 carbon, and it's a branched substituent containing 4 carbons. And so knowing that it's 4 carbons tells us that this is going to be a specific type of butyl group. So this molecule is going to be some type of butyl nonane. Because carbon 2 would be a secondary carbon were that bond not here, we're going to name this as a sec-butyl group. It will be italicized and therefore not alphabetized if we needed to alphabetize it. We don't here. Sec-butyl nonane, all that remains is to indicate that it's coming off of the 5 carbon. So this compound is 5-sec-butyl nonane.